I'm bad at YouTube, so don't judge me. This basil pesto is the perfect accompaniment to lamb chops, and if you like that, go check out my TikTok account where the recipe is up in full. And you know what? I'll upload it on here tonight as well. You want to start off by toasting your pine nuts, and by the way, I'm gonna have all of the ingredients in the description in full recipe, guys. You want to go ahead and pulse up 1 clove of garlic with those pine nuts, and you want to separate your basil leaves from that uneatable stem, and you just want to go ahead and separate that and do the same thing with your beautiful mint. Look at that. Do the same thing with the mint and just get those leaves ready. Then just go right into the food processor with those leaves and just really just pack them in there however you can. The further down you can get them, the better. Start off with a couple tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, or EVOO as Rachel Ray calls it. Go 1 second pulses, don't go full out. That could turn your olive oil bitter, and that's not something that we want. We want this to be not bitter, guys. And once it looks like this, you can see what I mean? Once it looks like this, you can go in with your half lemon, and that's gonna bring everything together so beautifully. Just juice that in and make sure to scrape down the sides as you go. That'll really help you. And just keep on pulsing until it looks like this, and once it does, you are totally done. And I'm telling you, this is one of the best pestos that you'll ever taste in your entire life. Season with salt and pepper to taste, and there